So
and that's called the regulative principle of worship. When we came out of the Roman Catholic Church, the Protestant reformers were sickened, they were disgusted by all the idolatry in the Roman Catholic Church. Statues of Jesus, statues of Mary. Is it okay for us to make a statue of Jesus? A statue of Jesus? A statue of Peter? Is it okay? Why? Why is it not okay? Let's practice sola scriptura here. Why is it not okay? Sola scriptura. Idols, okay, but give me a Bible verse. We let God be our authority. We let the word of God be our authority. Give me the Bible verse that says we cannot make an idol in our churches. We cannot build an idol of Jesus or build a statue of Mary or a statue of Peter. What Bible verse? Second, yeah. Okay, yeah. First and second commandment, yeah. Second commandment, yes, exactly right. That's where the regulative principle of worship is coming from. It's coming from the second commandment. Exodus 20. Exodus 20. Yeah, let's let God speak. Okay, we will let God speak. Okay. Verse 4 of Exodus chapter 20. Exodus chapter 20, verse 4. Who has it already? You have? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Read.
In this the Bible is 20 verse 3.
Okay. Verse 4. So, Roman Catholic, are they okay or not okay? Okay. Sawa. Okay. Yeah.